The F-35I Adir is a variant of the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter aircraft that's been modified to meet the specific requirements of the Israeli Air Force. The F-35I Adir is based on the F-35, a conventional takeoff and landing variant, but with several unique features and Israeli-developed systems integrated into the aircraft. The F-35I Adir has undergone several modifications to enhance its capabilities and adapt it to the Israeli Air Force's operational needs. Some of the notable modifications include, first, Israeli-developed avionics and electronics. The F-35I Adir features Israeli-developed avionics and electronics, including a unique data link system, radar warning receivers, and electronic warfare systems. Second, advanced sensors and radar. The aircraft is equipped with advanced sensors and radar systems, including the Israeli-developed electro-optical targeting system and the APG-81 radar system. And third, integration with Israeli weapons. The F-35I Adir is capable of carrying a range of Israeli-developed weapons, including the Python 5 air-to-air missile, the Spice 1000 and Spice 2000 guided bombs, and the Rampage air-to-ground missile. Fourth, extended range and endurance. The F-35I Adir has an extended range and endurance compared to the standard F-35A, thanks to the installation of external fuel tanks and modifications to the aircraft's fuel system. Fifth, unique communication systems. The aircraft features unique communication systems, including a satellite communication system and a data link system that allows for secure communication with other Israeli aircraft and ground stations. Now, regarding operational deployment, the F-35I Adir was declared operational by the Israeli Air Force in December 2017, and it has since been deployed in several operational missions, including the following. First, Gaza Strip operations. The F-35I Adir has been used in several operations over the Gaza Strip, including airstrikes against Hamas and Islamic Jihad targets. Second, Syrian operations. The aircraft has also been used in operations over Syria, including airstrikes against Iranian and Syrian targets. And third, regional security missions. The F-35I Adir has been used for regional security missions, including patrols and reconnaissance flights over the Middle East. Right, so Gaza operations. The F-35I Adir has been used in several operations over the Gaza Strip, including, well, first off, Operation Guardian of the Walls. Back in May 2021, the F-35I Adir was used in Operation Guardian of the Walls, which was a military operation launched by Israel in response to rocket attacks from Gaza. Then there's the airstrikes against Hamas and Islamic Jihad. The F-35I Adir has been used to conduct airstrikes against Hamas and Islamic Jihad targets in the Gaza Strip, including command centers, rocket launch sites, and weapons storage facilities. And with its advanced sensors and precision-guided munitions, the aircraft's been able to carry out precise strikes against enemy targets, which helps to minimize collateral damage and civilian casualties. Now, looking at the impact on Gaza, the use of the F-35I Adir in Gaza has had a significant impact on the region, including, for one, infrastructure damage. The airstrikes have caused significant damage to Gaza's infrastructure, like roads, bridges, and buildings. Then there's the issue of civilian casualties. Even though there have been efforts to minimize civilian casualties, the conflict has still resulted in significant harm to civilians, including deaths and injuries. Lastly, the ongoing conflict has really made the humanitarian crisis in Gaza worse, with serious shortages of food, water, and medical supplies. Right, so it's essential to note that the use of military force in Gaza is a complex and sensitive issue, with multiple parties involved and various perspectives on the conflict. The information provided above is based on publicly available sources and, well, should not be considered as a comprehensive or definitive account of the situation. Specifications. Here are some key specifications of the F-35I Adir. This fighter jet has a length of 50.5 feet and a wingspan of 35 feet. Its height is 14.2 feet with an empty weight of 29,000 pounds and a maximum takeoff weight of 70,000 pounds. The engine is a Pratt & Whitney F-135 PW100 turbofan engine with a thrust of 28,000 pounds. Its speed is Mach 1.6 plus, which is around 1,200 miles per hour or 1,931 kilometers per hour. It has a range of 1,200 nautical miles and a service ceiling of 60,000 feet. It also comes with internal and external hardpoints for various Israeli-developed and American-developed weapons. The F-35I Adir is a highly advanced and capable fighter aircraft, with a unique set of features and capabilities that make it an essential asset for the Israeli Air Force. Its use in various operations, including those over the Gaza Strip, has demonstrated its effectiveness and versatility as a multi-role fighter. Israel modified the F-35 to create the F-35I Adir due to specific concerns regarding the aircraft's electronic warfare systems, radar, and communications. The primary goal was to integrate indigenous Israeli technologies, allowing for greater autonomy and flexibility in the aircraft's operation. Key modifications: electronic warfare systems. Israel replaced the standard BAE Systems electronic warfare suite with Elbit Systems indigenous technology, enabling the integration of Israeli weapons and sensors without compromising stealth characteristics, radar and communications. Israel also customized the radar and communications systems to better suit its operational requirements, including the ability to communicate with other Israeli aircraft and ground systems. Weapons integration. The F-35I Adir is equipped with Israeli-made missiles, such as the Python 5 air-to-air missile and bombs, including the Spice precision-guided munition. Conformal fuel tanks. The aircraft features conformal fuel tanks, enabling longer mission ranges without the need for aerial refueling. These modifications addressed Israel's concerns about the F-35's capabilities in the region, particularly in relation to potential threats from Iran and Syria. The F-35I Adir has proven itself in combat, demonstrating its effectiveness in various operations, including the Operation Days of Repentance in October 2024. The US has sold the F-35 to several countries aside from Israel. Some of these countries include United Kingdom. With plans to acquire 138 F-35s, the UK is one of the primary partners in the F-35 program. Italy has ordered F-35As and F-35Bs with plans to operate them from its carriers and bases. Australia has purchased F-35As to replace its aging F/A-18 Hornets. Canada, although Canada initially withdrew from the F-35 program, it has since rejoined and plans to purchase F-35As. Norway has ordered F-35As to replace its F-16S Denmark. Denmark has also purchased F-35As to replace its F-16S Netherlands. The Netherlands has ordered F-35As to replace its F-16S Turkey. Although initially a partner in the F-35 program, Turkey's purchase of Russian S-400 missile systems led to its expulsion from the program. The US restricts the sale of F-35S to countries due to various concerns, including security risks. The US is cautious about sharing advanced technology with countries that may not have robust security measures in place. Geopolitical tensions. The US considers the geopolitical implications of selling F-35S to countries with sensitive relationships, such as Turkey's relations with Russia. Competition and industrial base. The US aims to protect its domestic aerospace industry and maintain a competitive edge in the global market. ITAR restrictions. The US has strict regulations under the International Traffic in Arms Regulations, ITAR, that limit the export of sensitive military technologies, including the F-35.